Hello everyone. So previously we have deployed our first app runner application using Java and Spring Boot using the Docker that we have already pushed the image into the Docker, and then we have pulled into the ECR, and then we have run the application in AWS App Runner. So what we'll do in this video, we will take the source or source code directly from the GitHub, and without even creating image, we directly try to deploy on app runner. So let's get started. So I'll just go to the app runner console and just log in to my account, and we'll go to the app runner, and I'll just click on this create an app runner service, and instead of the container registry, I'll just go with the source code. And here you need any sort of a connection. So what I already have a connection, but what you can do is very simple. You just need to have your GitHub username and password and authorize it. So you can create over here, add new, and it may ask you your connection name and the GitHub app and all. So if it is not installed, you can just click on install other and next, and just you put your GitHub credential, and then you are done. All right, I already have the connection. Just then it will show you all your repository. So I'll choose my repository. The repository is the same over here. You can see the repository is demo 001. Okay, so you just select over there and click on next. I'll go with a very minimum configuration. So here I have two option, configure all setting here. So you can manually configure, or either you can use a configuration file. I'll show you in this in the next chapter using the use a configuration file, but for here we just go with simply manually that. So now, if you see over here for Java, it is a Corretto, that is an open JDK implementation of the AWS, and you have a Corretto 11. So currently JDK 17 is not supported in AWS App Runner. So if you are using the Spring 3X, then I would say go with the Docker image that we already seen in the previous. But if you are okay to have just going or for the academic purpose to learn about it, you can go with below version, that is a 2 or 2.7 in the Spring Boot, and then you can select the Corretto 11, and then you have the command. So these are basic Maven command, Maven clean package, or I would say install, and then you have a Java hyphen jar, and then you have the path that you'll have to provide. So I already have that information available in this repo. So here you can use this path app target, and then you the jar that it has been um, generated from your Maven command. All right, this is very simple again, and just go to the next and just give any name. I'll just simply say demo 001, and yeah, you are done. I will just go with a default one for now because I just want to show simply the deployment, so that and you can review all your things and you just click and deploy. Now let's wait for maybe some times. I'll pause the video for that time. Alright, so after a few minutes it's get successfully deployed. We can see the logs. So first of all, we can see the event log, which are the build and deployment logs. So wherever you want to debug, if anything goes wrong, you can check over here. All the Maven commands are there. And then if you want to see the application logs, and then just refresh the page, and here you can get an application log link, and you can see Spring Boot is running. So now let's check in the browser. Click over here, and we will see simply our Hello API, and it's running Hello World from AWS App Runner. So that's it. That's a very small, and you can directly check from the source code. So you don't need to worry about the video player. At the time of this making the video, the current latest version for the Java, this 11 is available, but in future we are expecting that it will soon upgrade to JDK 17. All right, and again I said, if you are using above 17 or if you are using the 3.x Spring Boot, then you go with the Docker image, and the in the previous section that I have shown, you can try there. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.